traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Junoy with Trading the Charts Pro. Here back today, one more trade. Today this trade is very interesting, man, because you're doing some work and I actually forgot about this short. So I did the order but started doing something else. I forgot about it, so I canceled my sell order that I put in here because I see that this is resistance. Also on the hourly chart, that's resistance. Then while I jump back over to my other screen, I actually realized that price hit that level and started to sell off, right? So the moment I realized that, I jump in right here with a quick short. I'm gonna see if we can come back somewhere down inside this area, or closer down here, so I can get $1,000 out of this trade. Okay. Right now it's a little bit volatile, but the selling pressure is definitely there, so I want to see what we can get out of this one. Can we get a huge breakdown? Getting some form of recovery here. Alright, so we have to be very careful because we see this level back here has held as support for some time, so for that reason we gotta be careful then. Okay. Alright, so we're looking good, guys. Man, I missed it. Saw that, came down, kissed that level, and then boom. Okay, here it is.
Stop filled.
Okay, so we got out $1,000. Buyers are at that level, guys. You see, as soon as I put my brought my stop loss down, as soon as I put it there, immediately I got filled, and that's because we have buyers trying to get back in roughly right at this 50 period moving average, because they feel like this is a very good place where price can bounce and attempt to come back up here. I don't know. That's not what I'm here to figure out. My job is just to see where I can come in and take quick trades for $1,000 to $2,000 and then move on to the next one. All right, so guys, that was just a quick short. Ideally, what I really wanted to catch was the entry right here, which I did put the order in, but then I started to do something else. And then I'm like, what if we do breakout? So for that reason, I actually removed the order, and look what happened. We came right up, kissed the level, and immediately, look at the seller that came in right there. Sellers were already there waiting, because on the bigger time frame they see that, hey, we may not be able to push up in higher than this level right here. So for that reason, this was still a little bit of a late entry. After a big candlestick like this, it would seem like I am actually chasing the trade, but I realized based on the technicals that are just the indicators that, hey, there's a little bit more down that we can go. So even though I got in there, you can see we broke down, came down just a little bit more, and I was able to take the profits down there, because big picture you can see the pattern too. Also, if you're relying on indicators, you can see that MACD is trying to push down a little bit. If you understand volume, you can see that volume was spiking while price was actually falling. So that is a sell-off. If we want to get a little bit more detail as how I knew we were gonna fall some more, well, price broke all the short-term moving averages and it started to come down. So that's a sign that there is just a little bit more. I was really would like to see it drop back down here, which it essentially it could, but also we could just hold this level and run back higher, and this becomes a new support level and we go higher. All right, so That was a lot of I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.